Two of the world's most advanced earbuds are here. Apple's brand new AirPods Pro 3 and Samsung's Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Both promise next-level sound, smarter features, and powerful noise cancellation. But which one truly deserves a place in your pocket? Today, we'll break down their design, performance, and unique features in a clear side-by-side comparison, so you can decide which one is the ultimate choice for you. Apple's AirPods Pro 3, released in September 2025, feature an in-ear stem design with foam tips and run on the edge to chip with custom drivers. They deliver industry-leading ANC, conversation awareness, and personalized spatial audio, with up to 8 hours on a single charge and 24 hours with the MagSafe USB-C case. They're practical and portable, rated IP57. They're durable against water and dust, and include beamforming mix, a built-in heart rate sensor, live translation, and Find My case. Available in classic white, they weigh about 5.5 grams per earbud and 44 grams for the case. Samsung's Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, launched in July 2024, sport a sleek blade design with silicone tips, dual drivers, and Galaxy AI features. They offer adaptive ANC, ambient sound, and voice detect, plus about 6 hours of playback with ANC and up to 26 hours with a USB-C wireless charging case. With IP57 resistance, each earbud weighs 5.4 grams and the case 46.5 grams. They use Bluetooth 5.4 with low audio, support Auracast, and include 6 microphones per earbud for clear wideband calls. Available in silver and white, they're designed for both performance and style. So, that's our head-to-head look at the AirPods Pro 3 and the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Each has its strengths, from Apple's heart rate sensor and live translation to Samsung's Galaxy AI and Blade-like design. Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss the latest in tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.